Okay, so since the quarterly trends are, ah, Jordan, I'm so glad you can make it. All right. Well, Jordan, Danny just got done presenting the new client's evaluation. The expenditures report is next. Present it, Jordan.
Yeah, yes. Just let me.
I'll pin you.
Thank you. I'm having some troubles with the file, so
Is this last quarter's?
what?
The last date on here is from the second quarter. Are you sure this is the right file?
Yeah. No, my assistant has been reorganizing my files.
Do you want me to call her?
No. The problem is that she moved the report to the backup servers in Texas, and the power went out. I can't retrieve them. I'll just have to use backup. It's out of order. Sorry. For Monday, September 6th, I have 3 business expenses, and then I'll move on. I'll...
Oh, wow. That's a fast turnover.
What?
Yeah, you already have yesterday's expenditures all written out, and I haven't even gotten a report from you yet.
Yeah. That's why I was up all night. I was finishing it.
Wow, a real go-getter. Send it to me when you're done.
Yep.
Okay.
May 6th, I organized a handshake event with an agent for an independent pharmaceuticals entity. The total expenditure was
Patrick?
about expenditures totaling total expenditure.
You haven't paid me.
I did. You can go.
No, I can see it.
Where?
Your Venmo.
Shit.
Jordan?
$1,300.
No,
Not you.
because the average nightly charge is $473.
I wasn't talking to you.
The excess rate is 50%.
Shut up.
One sec. So, we went at 11 last night, and it's noon now, which makes it about 13 hours. It was overnight, and it was also Labor Day weekend.
Oh God.
The first hour is at a.
Okay. Just keep the change. Just go.
Handshake event?
Yeah. Yes.
1,300 and...
Yes, I had to buy product samples.
Where are they?
They're tax deductible. I'll bring them to your office later.
Looking forward to it.
Yep. Previously, also on May 6th. Miscellaneous fees for a networking seminar on responding to organized labor totaling...
Do you need to borrow my calculator?
So no thanks, Jordan. When it comes to the unions, you don't really need to make an account for it. Accounting will do it. So let's just move on to the next thing. Jordan?
Patrick?